What's up YouTube? For today's video, we're going to unbox and review this oven thermometer from Lazada. So currently yung oven namin wala siyang temperature. As you can see, kahit yung dials niya nabura na rin. So hindi mo malaman anong internal temperature or ambient temperature inside the oven. So that's why kailangan natin ng temperature. Merong yung mga analog style temperature yung talagang nilalagay sa loob, but may purpose din kasi ako why I opted for this one. So again, I got this from Lazada. So unbox natin. This is what's inside. Yung unit, yung probe, and then mayroon siyang free na para sa rack. And then meron din siyang free pouch. Dalawa yung purpose why ito yung pinili ko. Meron siyang probe. Firstly is majority of the use for this one will be actually for ambient temperature, meaning the temperature inside the oven will be measured on this one. So ito, nakaano lang sa rack. I'll show you how this will be installed later. And then kung paano siya gagana. So nakaganyan na siya. And then second purpose why I opted for the probe style is I can check the internal temperature of the meat. So saktong-sakto, we are cooking a steak right now. So first, before ko siya ipapasok sa yung internal temperature niya, is I wanted to take first the ambient temperature inside the oven. And then pag na-reach na natin yung temperature na I think naka-ilang minutes na rin siya, tsaka ko to isasalpak sa loob ng meat. Alright? So, let's see what's... tinanggal ko na yung yung sa battery, yung parang plastic cover para hindi siya laging naka-on. So, magnetic siya. As you can see, pwede siyang magnetic, which is very good. And then, mahaba din yung wire niya. Let's see how long is this. Siguro mga 1 meter. Yeah. Around 1 meter yung wire niya, which is good. And then, so basically, i-connect mo lang siya dito yung ganyan lang siya. Parang yung headphone jack lang ng dating Walkman. Ayan. Alright? So, ganyan lang siya. Yeah, it would be nice kung meron silang model na dalawa. Yung isa for ambient, isa pang tusok for the internal temp. Pero, pwede namang manual na lang yung gagawin ko. Once ready na, and I think ready na yung meat, tsaka ko na siya sasalpak. But, still, not bad. So, ganito lang yung function niya. Turn it on, makikita mo, alert temperature, and then, ito yung cooking temperature. So, cooking temperature, nakadepende yan sa probe. So kung nilagay mo yung probe sa ambient, meaning inside the oven lang, yun yung temperature ng cooking temperature. Tapos pag nilagay mo siya inside the meat, then yun na rin yung cooking temperature inside the meat. So alert temperature just means, by the way, this is in Celsius. So convert nyo na lang kung naka Fahrenheit yung gamit nyo. But Philippines naman tayo siya, so okay lang, Celsius. So basically, mag-a-alert siya, kaya nakikita niyo may alarm, mag-a-alert siya kung ano yung gusto niyo temperature. So plus niyo lang, halimbawa 200 something or 100 something, depende na sa inyo yan. I-alert niyo yun. I think i-on niyo yung bell icon para mag-alert siya. You can turn this off as well. Okay, so yun lang. Pretty basic. Power on, alert temperature, cooking temperature on the right side. So dito kayo laging titingin sa right side ano ng temperature. Okay? Alright. So, syempre itetest natin kung nag-alert ba talaga siya. Yun yung pinaka-first natin gagawin. So, naka 5 minutes pa lang yung oven. So, titingnan natin. I'll just put the, first, again, gagawin natin is yung ambient temperature muna bago natin salpak sa meat kasi the meat will be later on pa. Alright? So, pause ko muna yung video. Alright, so resume na natin. Ganito yung ginawa ko, guys. Ayan, so ginamit natin yung sa rack. And then, andyan na yung probe. And then, ito lang. I-clip mo lang naman yan. Okay lang yan. Kahit naka-clip. Alright, so ganyan siya. And then, so makikita natin, alert temperature is, sample lang yan 115. So dahil na-close na natin yung oven, as you can see, the cooking temp is rising up. Let's see kung mag-a-alarm siya. Ay, naka-off pala. Naka-off. Ayan. Ano yung alarm? Ayan. Okay. So masyadong mataas na rin actually. So, it's okay. Alam naman natin na, na gumagana yung alert temperature. So, you can turn this off. Yan lang. So, again, yan yung on. And off. Alright. So, mamaya naman is titest natin yung internal temperature ng steak, yung meat mismo. So, tatanggalin lang natin yung syempre tatanggalin ko siya sa dyan. Then papasok ko siya dun mamaya once I know na parang ready na ba or hindi yung steak. Alright. Okay, so dahil tapos na tayo sa ambient temperature niya, doon naman tayo sa internal temperature. So, tatanggalin na natin yung probe kasi itutusok natin siya sa meat. Hopefully hindi siya medyo mainit pa. Wait lang. Sorry about that. Okay. So, tingnan natin yung setting. So, I want the meat or internal meat temperature na mag-alert pag 115 Celsius na siya. So kunin natin yung probe. And ito yung meat natin. So, susuk natin siya sa na. Okay. Alright. Nandun na siya. Nakatusok na siya. And let's see kung ano yung temperature niya. Close lang natin yan. Okay. So right now, internal temperature niya still 45 degrees. So pag ma-reach niya yung 115, make sure na naka-on. Ayan. So na-on na natin yung alert notification yan, yung icon niya. So still 45, so hindi pa luto. Target natin is 115 internal temperature. So anyway, mag-alarm naman yan. So yeah, wait lang natin. Alright, that's it. So yun na yung last part of the video, just to make sure na yung probe naman niya gumagana din sa internal kasi na-try na natin yung ambient. So we'll see how it goes and then we'll conclude. So far, so good. At this point, di ko na-realize na Fahrenheit pala yung kinuha kong setting. So dapat equivalent to 115 is actually 46 degrees Celsius. So 1 degree na lang sana mag-alarm na siya. So actually cook na siya, ang cook na steak at this point almost. Alright, so final test internal temperature. Ayan, so kunwari 70, anything higher than 70 onwards, mag-alarm siya. Alright? Just an update guys, ang nangyari sa steak is medium well. Supposedly medium rare siya, 46. Dapat ang alarm na set ko pero 115. Dahil akala ko Fahrenheit. Alright? Bonus video to. Comparison lang. Nagpapakulo ko ng water. Compare ko lang yung luma kong ginagamit for water for temperature. Kaso nga lang ito Fahrenheit. So, compare natin. Difference ng dalawa. Okay. So, ito 210 Fahrenheit. Ito isa 100 degrees Celsius, around 99. So, naglalaro 209 Fahrenheit, 100. Minsan nagto 208. Ayan. So, 100, 210. Alright. So, convert natin. So, ito yung conversion na kay Google. Almost identical sa dalawa.